Welcome back to my channel. Talk. Subscribe to my channel. You won't miss my next video. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you what my next video is going to be about. As the title said, it's how to go viral on any platform that you are using. So let's get straight into it. My notes in my phone. I just didn't want to forget anything. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, your girl got your notes. How to go viral on any platform. These are secrets, tips, however you want it. Twist it, pop it, turn it. Grab your coffee, grab your soda, and let's get into it. So find your consistency. I would advise posting 4 times per week. 4 times per week is going to give that platform time to say, okay, she is posting 4 times a week. Let's start pushing out one of her videos and see how people react to it. If they love your content, which my next video is going to show you how to make people love your content. They start loving your content, that platform is going to start pushing out your content even more. So I would suggest posting 4 times a week, 4 reels per week. I know people's going to ask, do you schedule out your content? Do you post in real time? I do a little bit of both. I schedule out content. Between those schedule out contents, if I have time and if I want, I post in real time between that schedule out content, if that makes sense. Hear me out. If I schedule out content to post for 9 o'clock, that post done already posted. I want to post another post at 3 p.m. I can do that because I'm not feeling forced. I believe when people feel, oh, I have to do that, I feel that causes a burnout. I would say if you would like to post in real time, do it if you want to. Do it if you feel good. Say, yeah, I'm going to start posting in real time. Do that if you want. Find your consistency and stick to it. Don't feel like sticking to something. You fail to stick to that something. Don't beat yourself up about it because that could cause burnout too. So we're going to post 4 times per week. Then start thinking of your stories like this. Stories is your inside of your home, okay? And reels is the outside of your backyard. It's a big old barbecue. Everybody's invited. So just picture your reels like that. In your stories, you are posting your kids, posting you and your loved ones. You are posting your coffee. You are posting your schedule. That is in your story. On your reels, that is you working out, outfit, you sitting by your desk, uploading your ebook, sipping a cup of coffee, flowers on your desk. You know, you want to post that to attract people. You want to be relatable. Reels is your outside backyard barbecue, chill, everybody invited, come on girl type feeling. And your stories is your inside of your home, your loving, caring, favorite color, best friend, kids. It's private up there. If you want to learn more, you can either put that in the captions. I'm not going to go too much on the captions because that's a whole nother video. So put it in your captions. Hey, follow me and check out my stories. You want to tell your followers what to do, but not too much to do. And then in between your reels, 2 carousels in between. You want to take pictures. I mean, duh. Who wouldn't want to take pictures filming for their content and give people a feel of your character? It's a silly picture, cutesy picture on your laptop, whatever your niche is. And I don't like to use the word niche, whatever the case might be, because people could do what the hell they want nowadays. At the same time, you want people to get a feel of who you are, so understand who you are, if you get my drift. In between your reels, you want to post a carousel. I would post that twice a week. Everybody doesn't watch reels. Let's be real. Reels, they like pictures and they like educational posts or whatever. As you strolling for sounds, now we're about to go into the second part. As you strolling for sounds, you want to go in and see what hashtags, if that person is in your niche that you are looking towards of shooting. Look at what hashtags they're using. Open your phone, write down a few hashtags that catch your eye. search those hashtags on your search state and see what other hashtags people are using with that hashtag that you wrote down. Say for instance, hashtag fitness. Well, I'm going to type in fitness and I'm going to click on somebody that's working out and see what other hashtags they are using. Okay, so you want to always keep your notes handy to add hashtags. You could screenshot it, open your photos, and copy and paste it and transfer it into your notes, so you ain't got to be typing and all that. Now on the hashtags, I would put 3 to 4 hashtags, no more than that. I don't want a whole bunch of hashtags and making your caption look ugly. That's ugly. When I see a whole bunch of hashtags at the bottom, I'm like, damn, they desperate. I'm just being honest. They look so desperate, like, pick me, pick me, pick me. I stopped using hashtags and I started focusing on my caption more. That's what I have been doing. And when I focus on my caption more, it makes Instagram work harder to understand what is your post about. I'm pretty sure they have these highlighted words, and I'm not just pinpointing and talking about just Instagram. I'm talking about all platforms. Let me just make that clear. They have to pinpoint what is your reel all about. That caption is going to tell them something, but not everything. So they're going to have to push out your content to different audience, and more people sees your reel if you don't use no hashtags. That's just my opinion, because I have done both. You're talking to a girl that has done both. You're going to pick your hashtags. You're going to post 3 to 4 hashtags per post. We're going to move on to sounds. Any platform that you love that has a reel tablet to go check out reels. I'm talking with my hands and I need to stop. So any platform that has a reel profile, you want to click on that area and you want to stroll and listen to the sounds. And if you start hearing that same sound over and over, that is your trending sound. Now let's go into more detail. You just not want to use just any sound just because it's trending. Not just hopping on trends. I'm advising you to look at the sound, see how many people use it. We are looking for sounds with 1K and under. Heard correctly. You want 1K and under. And I'm going to show you a slide right here. And you want to open up that sound and see the first 4 people that use that sound. You want 1 million views and up. If those 4 have 1 million on up, go and click on the comment section out of those 4 top reels. You want to open up the comment section out of the first 4, and you want to see if the comment has been posted 4 to 6 weeks ago. If it was 4 to 6 weeks ago, you don't want to use that sound because that sound is about to possibly stop trending. Okay? You want the comments to be 2 weeks, no more than 3 weeks. 3 weeks is okay, but 2 weeks is great. You want that comment to be posted 2 weeks ago. That means that sound is trending and people are jumping on it and people is loving to listen to that sound. On the first 4 comments, it's not a lot when you think about it. When you think about it, it's a lot, but when you just do it, it's not. Let's keep that in mind. First 4 comments on that trending sound that you are about to use, you want to comment on all 4 posts at the top. Okay? Why? Because that sound is still trending and other people are getting it on their profile. So guess what? They're going to possibly see your comment and click on your profile and possibly check out your comment. I'm pretty sure you have done this before. You've seen a trending sound or you've seen a reel that you like. You went to the comment and then you strolled through the comments to see what other people was talking about it. And then you click on a comment that didn't have nothing to do with the post and they brought you to a profile that you wanted to check out because they commented something beautiful or you go girl or whatever the case might be, and you want to check out their profile. Well, you wind up following them because you love their profile. It does happen. You want to comment on all 4 first posts of that trending sound that you are about to use. That was a lot. You just don't want to comment an emoji on the first 4 posts. You want to comment 2 to 4 words where it can either spark up a conversation, the person loves it, or it makes somebody day. You just want to comment something other than just an emoji. Like, it's cool and all sometimes when you're trying to just get engagement and boost fast, but not all the time. You want to spark some type of conversation. You want somebody to say thank you. You want somebody to say, man, she knows what she's talking about. Even if it's an educational video, you can give advice to that person that talked about that educational video. You want to always add value into something. People can recognize you, like, man, she kind of knows a little bit more than this person on this reel. Well, let me click on her profile. You see where I'm going with it? It's a cycle. So you want to comment 2 to 4 words to spark conversations or ask a question, anything in that matter. And you always want to like the comment when they reply, and just reply back with the emoji then sorry y'all, or just love the comment. It doesn't matter. The platform is knowing that you are engaging on their platform and they are loving that, and now they are pushing out your content. Let's review what we went over. We're going to post 4 times a week. We're going to post 4 to 5 stories. That is going to be your home. Your reels is your Outback barbecue, everybody's welcome type feeling. Then you're going to post 2 carousels between time. Then if you feel like it, on top of your scheduled reels already that's going out at 9, and if you felt like post another one at 5 or 6. The secret, after 8 o'clock, do not post, because at that time people is already in the cycle of watching their videos that they already had. Don't post. The last thing is 7 o'clock, and then you really want to post before that, but we're not going to go into posting time. But after 8, we shut it down. Wait till tomorrow. That was a little pro tip. Wink, wink. Hashtags, open up your notes, write down your tablet, do your research, see what others are talking about. Trending sounds, you want 1K and under. First 4 reels of that trending sound, you want 1 million views. Click on the comments. See if the comments is 2 weeks, pushing 3 weeks comments posted. Anything 6 weeks, do not use that trending sound. Comment on all 4 top posts on that trending sound. You want to comment 2 to 4 words, add an emoji at the end if you would like, ask a question or add value, or tell the person something sweet. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next video. The next video is going to be talking about how to edit on all platforms. We are not just favoring one platform. I'm going to change the game, and I'm going to say all platforms, because all platforms have something in common. And what that is, going viral. And your consistency and burnt out going to get better. And we are not burning out anymore. We are thinking smarter, not harder, and we will be successful. And everybody, subscribe to this channel. Throw me a red heart to let me know that you have watched this video to the end. It's Pretty Girl Mia, and I'm out.